Pag ako, nakita ko siya, nagnakaw siya, o kaya nandaya siya, yung takbo niya, 3.1 seconds. Pero ang ginawa niya 3 seconds lang, 0.1 lang. At nalaman ko, at hindi ko sinumbong, at pag may nakaalam, na alam ko, at nag-cheat siya, pareho kaming guilty. And we will be subjected to a process, and it will result to our dismissal. Kaya meron niyang yung bring me not. Kasi pag nag-cheat ka, nahuli ka, iriring mo yan. Kaya yan.
Babalikan ko po yung ICI. Pinakawalan niyo ba yung pagkakataon na sana makapagsumbong na merong kamalian? Kagaya ng mga kadete dito sa PMA, na kapag alam mong may nagnakaw, sasabihin mo, isusumbong mo.
Yeah, good question. Minsan ako, konsensya rin ako. Sana iniisip ko, I should have stayed longer. Para siguro mas marami pa ako nagawa. Pero naisip ko rin na I think I made the right decision. Kasi wala na rin ako magagawa Ang role ko sa ICI is to investigate. Kung tinanggalan na ako nung authority to investigate, ano pa? As a special advisor, wala na Kumbaga, wala na akong value. May bibigay ko lang na ma-advise sa kanila about investigation. Kasi yun naman kung titingnan mo yung mandate ng ICI. To investigate to seek out the truth. And then to file cases or to refer cases. Kung walang investigation, wala na.
Do you really intentionally choose your battles too?
Yeah, ganun na rin. You have to accept the fact na there are things that we don't have any influence over. Limited lang yung influence mo And you cannot also change it. Tanggapin natin yun But there are also things that you can actually change. Kaya tama yun. We have to choose our battles.